Hello everyone, hello. Today we're going to be talking about skincare for women and men actually from 40s and up. So if you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s and up, this is the skincare system that you need. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. Skincare is super easy, you guys. It's not intimidating at all. Super easy and quick. You can do it in your shower, do it at your sink. And it's meant to be done, every day, at least twice a day, morning and nighttime. Okay, so if you're in your 40s, raise your hand. 50s, raise your hand. 60s, raise your hand, because I want to show you this amazing skincare system that you need to be able to take care of your beautiful skin and, have it glowing and stay very, very youthful and healthy. The skincare that we're going to be talking about, and that's, that I recommend, is the Time-Wise Voluform Repair Set. Okay, so just take a look at this beauty. This is the marykay Time-Wise Voluform Repair. Okay, this is a system designed for women in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and up. Okay, it's fabulous, it's gorgeous, and it works. This product has the good housekeeping seal of approval. That means that this product works and does what it says it's going to do. Super easy to use. It's not complicated at all. So I don't want you to think, oh, can I do this? Yes, you can. All right. So what do you need? You need the Skin Vigorate Cleansing Brush to use with your Time-Wise skincare. Okay. Very, very beneficial for your skin. And I love this because, it has these amazing soft bristles. It has 20,000 soft bristles. It's not harsh at all on the skin. You can use this every day on your skin. It's totally fine to use. All right, it has 3 speeds. Okay, and it has a 60-second timer, and it has a USB charger, so it's rechargeable. You don't need a battery for this. First step is your foaming cleanser. This is an amazing, luxurious cleanser. I love it. It's super luxurious, and honestly, a little bit is all you need. So you get your brush wet. So that's my, cleanser on there. Okay, so your first step is to wash your face. Okay, you have to wash your face twice a day, morning and nighttime. Absolutely. Now, the reason you want to definitely wash, especially in the nighttime too, is because, during the day you've been out and about, maybe you headed to work, you went for a walk, you've been in the garden. All right, you see she foams up. All right, this is a foaming cleanser. So she's and smells divine, by the way. Very luxurious. And I have to tell you, all marykay products doesn't have added fragrance. So we do not add any extra fragrance or chemical fragrance to our products. Any scent you get from our products are all this, botanicals and peptides ingredients that is used to make this. So marykay does not add any added fragrance. Marykay also, by the way, is made in the USA. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's made in the USA, and marykay also follows the European standard guidelines with the ingredients that we use in making our products. Okay, so if it's banned in Europe, they don't use it here in the US. Rest assured that you're using great, safe quality products. First step is to definitely wash your face. Okay, and do this twice a day. Do not go to bed without washing your face. All right, even if you don't wear makeup, you still have to wash it before you go to bed. And that's because when we're out and about, a lot of stuff settles in our pores. All right, so you just have to wash it before you go to bed. All right, so that's literally your first step. My skin looks clean, feels super soft. It's not stripped. This doesn't strip your skin of moisture at all. Next step is you follow with our Time-Wise Repair Advanced Lifting Serum. This is what I call the Spanx for your face. Okay, so again, if you're in your 40s, start. Don't wait. Okay, if you can't even start in your late 30s or whatever, hey, go for it. So the Advanced Lifting Serum is amazing. It helps to lift, tight, and firm the skin. Because once we hit 40s, 50s, you start to notice that your skin isn't as lifted and tight and toned, as firm as it used to be in your 20s and 30s. So that's what this baby is for. So you just take like 1 or 2 pumps, is up to you. I like to apply it when my hands are still a bit damp or if my face is a bit damp. So you just apply it, concentrate here, because this is where we start to And I do put it under my eyes. This is where we start to get those deep fine lines. All right. All right. And this you can also use. Absolutely. You can also use this on your neck, ladies. Don't forget your neck, and you can use it on your chest if you're starting to notice a bit of crepiness and, you know, wrinkles on your chest. So for this one, I'm going to take my marykay Invigorate facial massage head. I'm going to, you know, I popped off the brush. I'm going to pop this right on. Okay, this is my Skin Invigorate brush. And then I'm going to massage. So when you apply your serum, you use your facial massage head to, you know, to really massage your serum in and give yourself a nice massage, right? Because this helps to, you know, tighten the skin, you know, promote blood circulation, blood flow. Just sometimes wake up and we're kind of puffy, right? So this helps with drainage, right? So you just use this, and I use this. I love it. So you just apply that there. Don't forget the forehead. This is literally how you massage your face. The next step is your eye cream. I love the Time Wise Eye Renewal Cream. Okay, because I gotta tell you, it's fabulous, right? Do you see that tip? It has this gorgeous alloyed metal tip. This is a great tip to help apply your eye cream, and it helps to depuff. So this is a special metal that, you know, those boxers use in the ring and stuff when they get, you know, clocked in their face. So you just take this and you just take a little bit. I gotta tell you, a little bit of this is all you need, because this is also very luxurious. And then you just squeeze it out. And then, I'm not gonna use it because this is a brand new one for my kit, but, you know, and then you can gently just, you know, rub that in. So I'm just gonna take my eye cream. Okay, you always want to use your ring finger. Okay, so this helps with wrinkles. Okay, fine lines around the eye area. All right. Dark circles. This is a very powerful eye cream, and this you definitely want to use twice a day as well. Okay, when it comes to skincare, you have to be consistent. You have to use it twice a day so you can see amazing results. All right, so I'm just gonna pop the eye cream on. Again, remember, this set has a Good Housekeeping seal of approval, so you know she's good, right? You know she works. So that's my eye cream. So next up, because again it's daytime and I'm going to be going out running errands and stuff, you're going to follow with your Time Wise Volume Day Cream. Now this has your SPF 30. All right, please do not leave your house without SPF, honey. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know, sun is one of the major factors of skin damage. Let's not even mention skin cancer. So you want to be protecting your skin. And I'm saying this again, even if you're not really going out. UVA rays penetrates to our window, our kitchen window, you know, our living room window. So it's coming in. UVA causes aging, and UVB causes burns. And again, you may not see or feel anything now, but you notice, especially once you're hitting your 40s and 50s, you start noticing the damage, right? You start seeing the age spots. So you just take that and apply it, so my skin is protected while I'm out. Okay, and it also smells so good, so good. There you have it. You're done for your skin prep. Boom, that's literally it. You're done. That's literally your skincare for the day. At nighttime, I'm going to do the same thing, only I will swap the day cream for the night cream. So tonight, I would use the night cream, and this has retinol. Your night cream has retinol, okay? And you just kind of pop this up. This is the jar, and you put 2 fingers right here, and you pump, 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 and it dispenses your product. You don't have to dip your finger in your jar, so it's very sanitary. That's how you use it. It's very easy peasy. You wash your face, you put in your lifting serum to help tighten and lift. You put on your eye cream, and you moisturize, and you are good to go. All right, if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And like I said, you can totally send me a private message as well. This is a great time to get on skincare. Please, you know, protect your skin while you're out and about having fun with your family. Please. If I know I'm going out or whatever, I do put on some kind of foundation, right? So we have a Time Wise foundation, which is our great coverage and all the good stuff. Now, especially during the summer, I use our CC cream. It's lightweight. It's pretty much a tinted moisturizer. So this I'm going to apply as my final protection step. I said protection step, yes. In marykay, Our foundations are our final protection step. Now, because the CC cream, first of all, CC stands for complexion corrector. So I can take my hands. That's why I love it. So this is great for me when I'm in a rush, right? As a mom, busy mom of 3. So I just take it and apply it all over like a moisturizer. And this has SPF 15. The best thing you can do for yourself, okay, is to get on skincare. Even if you've never used skincare before, it's time to start. Don't wait any longer. Or if you have a consultant, hit up your consultant. But if you don't, then let's talk. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, you're welcome to just comment or send me a private message, all right? And I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, okay? Bye, everyone. Stay safe, okay? I'll talk to y'all later.